Now let us discuss the 109, that an increase in the concentration of reactants of a reaction leads to change in. Here they are asking what happens when concentration of reactant increases. We know that the concentration of reactant increases, then coefficients also increases. Coefficients also increases. We know that coefficient frequency is directly proportional to number of reacting molecules. Number of reacting molecules. Here given that the concentration of reactants increases. Here the number of reactant molecules increases, then coefficient frequency is also increases. That's why our answer is 4 is our correct answer. By increasing in the concentration of reactants of reaction, it will lead to change in its coefficient frequency. There is no effect on activation energy, heat of reaction, threshold energy.